Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, this is Yash Saxena and you are watching Corpbiz. We are back with another interesting video for you. Today, we will be talking about the trends and opportunities in the earphones and headphones industry. Earphones and headphones wearables paved the way for the widespread adoption of wearable technology. The market for wearable technology devices is rapidly expanding from emerging to developed countries, and it is expected to drive the adoption of smart headphones, earbuds in the coming years. Despite the hesitation pertaining to wearables that exist even today, the apprehensions associated have significantly declined as consumers are becoming even more comfortable with the technology. A positive shift in the consumer sentiments towards the adoption of wearables has primarily been social interaction and need to monitor health at all times, which is also expected to catapult market growth. The global earphones and headphones market was valued at 25.1 billion US dollars in 2019 and is expected to grow at a CAGR of 20.3% from year 2022 to 27. Some of the primary factors driving the market are the rising customer preferences for enhanced audio experience, a growing music industry, mobile technology, and internet penetration. The demand for wide range of consumer durable goods is growing as a result of the ongoing increase in the disposable income and technological innovations in India. This in turn is fueling fierce competition among the various consumers durable brands that are available across the country. India is viewed by multinational organizations as one of the primary markets from which future growth is likely to originate. Other than multinational brands, India has its own very established brands like Boat and Firebolt, which are startups but will give an equal fight to these established brands because they offer better quality at cheaper prices. Now, we should be talking about which product type is driving demand for earphones and headphones. In-ear earphones and headphones are expected to command 44.4% of the global market in 2022. This is due to the simplicity with which music can be heard, as well as low cost and small size of the devices. Because of their lightweight design and convenience, earphones and headphones are popular among health and wellness enthusiasts. Furthermore, they provide superior sound transmission, providing user with engaging music sound quality, which is expected to drive the market. Because of the music industry's rapid growth and high penetration of the music streaming, demand for in-ear earphones and headphones has increased significantly. Now, let's try to understand which technology has potential to grow in the coming years. Based on the technology, the global earphone and headphone market is sub-segmented into systems which include wireless earphones and wired earphones. In terms of revenue, the wireless earphones and headphones are expected to dominate the market for the overcast period. This is due to the advancement of the wireless earbuds and technical advances in the Bluetooth connection between the wireless devices. Due to their sophistication and ease of use, wireless earphones and headphones have become more popular in the market. Moreover, smart features such as voice control, motion tracking, activity tracking, and usage recognition for music playback and pause are projected to boost wireless earphones and headphones usage. Key manufacturers of headsets are focusing on providing fashionable and unique wireless headphones and wireless earbuds to cater to increased demand from stylish clients. The COVID-19 pandemic had a minor impact on the earphone and headphone market's growth. As a result of the pandemic, government organizations were forced to implement strict lockdown measures and travel bans, disrupting logistics, supply chains, and production capacities and affecting total sales. However, as a result of the imposed travel restrictions, consumers' interest in online streaming platforms to view movies, web series, and talk shows increased, driving earphone consumption significantly. Work from home also significantly increased demand for earphones and headphones. Individual use of earphone and headphone will be bolstered by the burgeoning OTT industry. Nonetheless, increased demand for connectivity and storage units in data centers, demand for security cameras, robots in industrial application, and sensor-based devices are expected to present enormous potential for earphone and headphone suppliers. So these were the trends and insights of the industry. If you want to be in this business, probability to grow and get success is huge. Now let's find out which is the better place to sell your product. Definitely, in today's time, it is e-commerce. E-commerce websites are the best place to sell your product. Why I'm saying so? You will get it. First is their fast go-to-market time. Unlike traditional retail, your e-commerce store can be up and running in just a few clicks. If you're looking for a basic store, e-commerce platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and Squarespace use pre-made templates to create your store. They take care of hosting, PCI compliance, platform maintenance, and more. Marketplaces like Amazon or eBay just require you to set up an account before you start selling. Next is low cost. When you're first starting out, e-commerce allows you to avoid many of the large upfront investment that traditional retail can incur, like a physical storefront, inventory, or payroll. With an online store, you can sequentially build out your business as your sales grows. Shoppers start online. The use of digital channels keep increasing. 87% of the shoppers begin product searches on digital channels, up from 71% last year. Even if they end up buying from physical store, shoppers are more likely to start their search online, especially in marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Shoppers research on variety of reasons to compare prices, compare brands, search customer reviews, check inventory level, and more. The only way to ensure potential shoppers find your product is to have an online presence, even if it is just to check store hours or location. It's important that customers find the information they are looking for. You always want to be where your first customers are shopping, and evidence points to online. Next is customer insights. One advantage of online selling you might not have thought of is how easy it makes it to collect, measure, and act on customer data. If you want to be hyper focused on customer experience, then you need to own your consumer data. Online selling lets you collect first hand data by tracking customers' interactions. You will have a constant feedback loop of actionable insights to continue to innovate your customer experience. Next is reach new customers. As mentioned above, e-commerce selling can take in many different formats. Each channel has its own unique audience that sellers can reach. An online site can help you reach international shoppers. Social sites can reach new demographics. Marketplaces like Amazon provide the widest audience but can also help you find niche markets. Marketplaces like Etsy, Newegg, and Poshmark specific audience looking for certain products. The best part is that you can also use a mix of online touchpoints to engage multiple audience at once. So, if you are planning to get into this business of manufacturing earphones and headphones, you have made a right choice. To start any business in India, you would be needing a few mandatory certifications, like in this case, you will need a BI certification for your product. It's a very tedious task for us, but don't worry, we have solutions to your every problem. You just have to get in touch with our experts on the given numbers, and rest will be taken care by the Corpbiz team. And for more such content, keep watching Corpbiz. This is Yash Saxena signing off.